Extreme weather is on the rise in East Africa, affecting millions of smallholder farmers. Their crops are their main source of food and income. And one bad harvest can set a family back for years, trapping them in a vicious cycle of poverty and hunger. Large farmers have crop insurance to protect themselves against risks like drought, and insurance companies can build a viable business insuring them. But insuring smallholder farmers in East Africa just didn't add up, and there was no affordable crop insurance on the market. Until Kilimo Salama found a way to offer protection to smallholder farmers that also made good business sense. At the start of the growing season, farmers can purchase low-cost insurance to protect either their investment in seeds and fertilizer or their harvest. Kilimo Salama's weather monitoring technology allows the team to track insured farms remotely. Automated weather stations throughout the region collect data that is relayed wirelessly every 15 minutes back to headquarters. This on-the-ground information is paired with cutting-edge satellite data, which is compared to an index of historical rainfall. If an area has 15% more or less rain than the historical average, insured farmers receive a payout. Farmers can even receive payouts via mobile phone to be used, same as cash. Kilimo Salama also partners with agricultural NGOs, lending institutions, and cooperatives, currently insuring more than 100,000 smallholder farmers in East Africa. No one can control the weather, but with Kilimo Salama, smallholder farmers can finally safeguard their crops and livelihoods.